Where's my TF fans, guys? Where's my TF fans crew? This is gonna be a very boring episode without green names in the chat. I know a lot of people don't like this, but you know, I gotta reward the people that are in the TF fans club. So, you know, we're gonna do that. We're gonna do that. So a special episode for TF fans club members. They can ask anything. They can be like, hey man, check this out. Hey man, check that out. And I'll be like, okay man, I'll check that out. Why not? There we go, there we go. GGO is in the house. How you doing? Yeah, you noticed the new emojis. The new moon and the full moon is in the house. Nice, nice. So now you can spam the new moon as soon. Sorry, the full moon as on the 24th. When 24, I wanna see the full moon. Something's happening outside, just a second. Moon Billionaires Club, yeah, of course. Like JP Morgan said, you know, millionaires need tech analysis, billionaires need astrology. So you're gonna use, you know, hey man, what are we gonna check? What are we checking today? You know, there is this big wedge. Everybody's been talking about the big wedge. The big wedge broke to the downside. Now everybody is expecting more downside, right? Somewhere around 31k, right? Isn't that correct? Good job. Oh, do you have any coins you want me to check for you, man? Because you are only TF fans club member right now in the chat. So it's me and you, man. It's me and you. Like, if you got anything you want me to check, I'll check it up for you. Let's see what's happening here. So yeah, basically, you know, the wedge. That's the target, right? So it's somewhere around something like 32k. That's down there. M Devil is in the house. How you doing, man? How you doing? Welcome to the chat. Welcome to the chat. I just want to see green names in the chat entire day. Green chat. Not holding any else right now, man. But thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. M Devil, do you got any requests for any tech canals or something? Do you want to check out something? Some meme coin, maybe some stocks. You know, anything for you guys. Anything for you guys. Hello, how you doing, M Devil? How you doing, M Devil? So yeah, if this rising wedge is actually correct, you know, the targets are around something around 32k, you know, give or take. But, you know, we take what we get, we take what we get. There is also this, maybe, something like this over here. The trend line is going on, you know, if you can break it on the upside, you know, it's gonna be good. But if you look at a 10 moving average, like 10 moving average says no. What about Safe Moon? Okay, sure. Just no. We can check Safe Moon, man. We can check Safe Moon. Just give me a second, okay? I just have to do this. Just switch this stuff up a little bit, okay? Because the Safe Moon is on a special chart. There we go. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but this is Safe Moon. Let me just change it to 24 hours. No, it's okay, man. I mean, we can check anything out. Safe Moon, pregnant, but you know, kushi, sushi, whatever. Honza, hello, TFN. I'm at the bar now and I can't hear anything, so I have to play the stream backwards. Hope BTC doing well. Well, enjoy yourself, man. Enjoy yourself. Let's see over here. What's this? This is weird. Let's see 4-hourly chart. Why is my chart? I don't think this is correct chart, guys. Why isn't 30 minutes? This is Safe Moon chart, by the way, but it's not updating as it should be updating. It just takes a little while. It just takes a little while. Okay, let's go to the 4-hourly. no, I can't do this on the 4 hourly. Why? It's so weird. Okay, no safe moon, guys. There is no chart. Is a safe moon up here? Safe moon. Safe moon 20 wrap theta. No. But even it's easy, it won't be like, yeah, it's nada. It's nada. It's nothing. Yeah, but Bitcoin, if it, you know, right now you're getting like huge rejection down here, huge rejection. Like, it would be nice if you actually manage break. If you look at the 1 hourly, there is you know, RSI divergence here on the 1 hourly. You can see the divergence up here. You cannot actually see because I haven't popped the. Let's remove this one. We don't need this one. Just RSI. You can see on the RSI that, you know, there has been divergence. You know, price going up, and then, you know, it bounces up. But, you know, this divergence on the 1 hour is already played out. But there is also divergence on the 4 hourly. The same thing. It's small one, but you know what? You know, we take what we get. Divergence, and the price is going up. But right now it went up. It hits in this 10 moving average right now. Going down. Junkie Druggler is in the house. How you doing, man? Welcome to the TA Fans Clubhouse tonight on this nice Saturday evening. How you doing, man, Junk? Junk, do you hold any Aldicons? Do you want me to do any TA on anything? By the way, is the music too loud? If the music is too loud, we can turn it down. We can turn it down. I'm in a good mood, so I'm gonna do anything for you guys. Anything you want me to do. I want to check Ethereum. Ethereum is actually looking kind of. It looks bad, guys. It looks bad. Ethereum looks bad. Like, doesn't matter how you draw it. It looks bad. This is a 4 hourly. It's just going down, like through this support down there. On the daily, it's broken some very important supports down up here, like yesterday. It looks terrible. I'm doing great. Hyped. Yes. Yo, this is cool. I'm late, of course. No. D. You're early. You're very early. Welcome to the chat. It's nice that you could join us, though. It's nice that you could join us. By the way, guys, D, do you have any altcoins requests? Do you want me to check TA on anything? Doesn't matter what it is. Meme, as long as there is a chart on TradingView, I mean, I'm gonna do it. Hi, Debutin is in the house. This is nice. I like the green names. So we're gonna keep on doing this. Debutin, do you have any requests for the tech analysis? Anything like Matic, Doge, Shiba Inu, like anything? Is it even possible? TF Fans Club only? Yeah, it's possible. It's a new thing that YouTube implemented, so right now it's possible. We are the first that are actually doing this, but you're gonna see that a lot more people are actually doing these members live streams. They are technically not member live stream because anybody can watch, but you know, you can only comment if you're a member live stream. ICP. Okay, let's do ICP. Richard is in the house. Hi Richard, how you doing? Okay, let's do ICP. ICP looks terrible, by the way. I can just tell you right now, ICP looks terrible. Would be cool to see what you think about SDAO. It's a bit early, so probably not much to talk about it. Yeah, we'll check SDAO. We'll check everything, guys. Everything. Okay, let's see what ICP is doing. What kind of song is it? Sometimes, you know, these songs just pop up out of nowhere, and I'm like, Paolo Marcignoli. Paolo Marcignoli, welcome to the live stream. Welcome to TF Fans Club. Welcome to the club as a club member. Welcome to the crew. Now you can post the new and full moon. Enjoy. Insane Clown Pose is terrible. I'm going to do nice, Richard. Nice. You'll get a lot of new members now. Well, that's the deal with this actually. Like growing the subscription base on the member stuff. Good stuff. Thanks. Yeah, but like you guys are subscribing to members. You are supporting my channel. Like from time to time, I gotta give something back. And you know, some kind of live stream. You know, interacting with the members. Like that's cool, man. That's cool. Okay, let's see how this is actually doing. So it's still looking bad. There is huge RSI divergence on the daily chart, guys. On the ICP maybe is hitting the bottom. Maybe it's hitting the bottom. Maybe. I'm saying maybe because this isn't confirmed yet. This isn't confirmed over here yet. But maybe ICP is hitting the bottom right now. Look at this, guys. You know, right now we have big divergence on the RSI on the ICP right now. And you know, we still don't know because, you know, if we continue getting red candles down here, you know, this is gonna correct itself. It's gonna correct itself. So this isn't confirmed. But if this stays green and we get one more green candle over here, like this can be this can actually start looking really nice to the upside. Let's zoom in a little bit on the 4 hourly, see if there we can get anything out of the 4 hourly. But 4 hourly hit some kind of very low levels down here. Not here, you know, it's still, you know, no, nothing here. Although we do have bearish hidden divergence up here, you know, hidden bearish divergence, you know, so we are already getting pulled down, so you know, that might actually be like finished already. But it looks nice, it looks nice. So what's it gonna take for me to actually be bullish on this right now? Besides getting above the moving averages, of course, besides getting above the moving averages, I think there is a trend line somewhere over here, guys. I think there is a trend line. I think maybe it's something like this. The first trend line, I think that should be it. Without regarding this rest of this part, I think we gotta get above this trend line. If we can get above the trend line over here, guys, on the ICP, that might be like the first step, because you got the RSI divergence, and you get up here above this trend line over here. That's the second, like, that's nice. And then third you know, thing should be getting above 66. If you can do these three things, like, it's gonna be looking nice. It's gonna be looking nice. But 152 views, yeah, we are not doing it for the views, we are doing it for the members, man. We are doing it for the members. I'm doing good things. Insane Club post. You will get yeah, good stuff. Thanks. Paolo, enjoy. TA Fans Club, yeah. Love you from Italy. Thanks, man. I'm glad that Italy could join the club. I'm glad that Italy could join the club. Juicy. Actually, not bothered with SDAO. On hard, there was a cup and handle on 1 hour. Do you think the cup and handle is now invalidated and W is now in play? Thanks. We'll check that. Ron is in the house. Welcome, Ron. Enjoy the show, enjoy the show. But somebody was asking, Junk was asking for AV. Let's look at what AV is doing. So ICP is looking good, like it might actually get some kind of bottom over here. So we're gonna see if actually that's gonna be the case. Like, it's not yet confirmed, you know, because it has been bleeding for so long. But, you know, anything that drops, how much did this drop? Just from the close. Anything that drops 89% might actually be done with any kind of correction that's in, right? So, you know, it did drop tons, you know, so at some point it has to find some kind of bottom, you know, and we are looking for that bottom, guys. You are... Giga Gerots is in the house. Hello, hello, pump. Yeah, man, insane. Okay, guys, we're gonna look at AV. Let's see where AV is right now. AV. Yeah, well, there was... Oh, it's broke on the downside. It broke on the downside, guys. It broke on the downside. Everything, guys. I've been looking at a lot of altcoins, and a lot of these are breaking some important levels, guys. Important levels. Now, maybe I drew this line a little bit bare. Let's see if this actually is there any way we can actually recover from this. How can we draw the line so we are still in this safe? Something like this. But it's not that good. Like, this green line on the bottom side, it looks a lot more legit, guys. It looks a lot more legit. Sure, there is another line over here, but this green line looks a lot legit, guys. And still this downtrend is being pushed down. So we are below all the moving averages, I'm guessing. Yeah, below all the moving averages on daily, on 4 hourly, on 1 hourly. It looks like we're gonna drop that, guys. Not only are we gonna drop, but I think Bitcoin is gonna drop as well. So it doesn't look good. It doesn't look good right now. We are breaking all kinds of supports. You can see on the 4 hourly over here, like everything is broken. Everything beside this level down here on the AV. Everything beside this level down here on AV is broken. Bob, welcome to the new member. Welcome, Bob Pete. Enjoy the TA Fans Club house, and you know, you can spam emojis now, as many emojis as you want. Chad is leaving. Welcome, Chad. Enjoy the show. Enjoy the show. Welcome to the TA Fans Club. Thanks a lot to watch you finally joining the club and hoping to for the dump to end soon. Well, we are hoping that, but there might be some kind of dump still going on. Just joined the TA Fans Club. The members only video was the final straw. Love the channel. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. You know, sometimes you know, some people need a like final push. Come on. You know you want to. Come on. You know, it's as bad as I thought. Thanks for confirming. Yeah, well, it's, you know, it's not that the AV is bad. Like a lot of stuff is bad. It's very hard to find like coins that are not actually good. We do Patreon channel, you know, I try to find for my Patreon some coins that are not actually correlated with Bitcoin, but it's really hard. It's really hard. I'm trying to do everything, so let me just see if I skipped something. ICP, we did ICP. AV, we did ICP. SDAO, he didn't want to do SDAO, but he said actually not by SDAO. On hard, there is a cup and handle. Yeah, we can check hard. We can check hard. It's hard USDT, right? Yeah, it doesn't have that much data. Do you think cup and handle is now invalidated and the V is now in play? Okay, on 1 hour. Don't look at 1 hour, man. It's gonna wreck you. It's gonna wreck you for hard. So you said cup and handle. You were thinking this is maybe the cup and the handle, right? Well, technically, you know, the handle is too far. Handle should be only, you know, above the like 2/3. Like if you cut this in 3 parts, it should be like this high. So when it goes all the way down, you know, there is no cup and handle here. So you're thinking, this you know, bottoming pattern, the V shape is now in play. Is that what you're talking about? Because if you look at it like this is 1 hourly. You know, we can zoom in a little bit over here to get some kind of better look. Yes, that's what I was thinking, but wasn't too sure. Yeah. So on the cup, when you're looking at cup and handle, you know, the cup is fine, but the handle cannot be you know, go all the way down here. Like it should be like in the first third of the part, like distance of 1/3, right? And if you start going there, it invalidates the cup and handle. That said, the V shape. Sorry, this is weekly. Yeah, weekly getting up to. I'm just looking at some other aspects of this. There is no divergence or anything. I'm just looking. That's like the first thing you checking for. This is 4 hourly, but it's too big. I think it's too big. Yeah, there is no divergence, so it's just too big. Let's see 1 hourly. I won't say it's not a clear double. It looks like to me the way I see it, this looks like actually a triangle in the making. Some kind of triangle in the making. You know, let's move the moving average over here. Just see this better. Can we call it a triangle? We gotta zoom in for this because it's a too small one. Too small. Too small. Maybe it's some kind of triangle in making. Maybe because it goes really nicely over here, right? So it might be some kind of triangle in the making. Triangle in the making. Maybe this can also be pushed down. It depends how you draw it. Like this is the correct way, right? Right. Let's see on the 1 hourly. Yeah, I think it's a bigger one. I think it's just halfway through. So I think, yeah, you know, if it starts going below the bottom line on here on the 4 hourly, like, you know, it might just jump and come back, but right now it's creating a triangle. So right now it's creating a triangle. So I wouldn't look at it as some kind of W pattern. I would look at it as triangle. Can you check lit for pleasure? Yeah, man, we'll do that. Thanks, debuting. T-Fuel BTC pair. Are you sure you want a BTC pair? Are you seeing an inverse cup and handle forming on BTC 4 hourly? Yes, that's what I was thinking, but wasn't too sure. I see a divergence in the ETH RSI daily chart. We'll see the divergence, man. I see also inverse head and shoulders 4 hourly Bitcoin, massive one. Yeah, we'll check all that. Thanks. The cup and handle was great, and then BTC happened. Yeah, sometimes does that. Like you find something that looks very nicely, and then BTC happens. That should be a meme. BTC happens. Look at this chart, and then BTC happens. Okay, you want me to check lit? What is lit? Let's see over here. Did you check ADA already? No, I didn't. We can come back to ADA. Can you check lit? What is lit, guys? I never heard about lit. Lit USD. Okay, lit. Let's see here. It's a new coin, at least on Tether. No, at least on Binance. So pumped, going a little bit down. No worries. Let's see the moving averages. It's down, as expected. No divergences. Looks like it's forming some kind of a triangle over here. Might be. It looks like you want to break it on the downside though. Not a good thing. But only 2 touches, so you cannot confirm this very well. It's not. Maybe you're right now breaking to the downside. Maybe. This looks just like Bitcoin, right? Over here, 20 a month over here. I think it's just following, doing the same thing as Bitcoin doing, is right going down. It looks like it's going down. It's getting pushed down by the moving averages. Let's see how the 4-hour is looking at this. Yeah, it does exactly the same as Bitcoin. So you know, you follow Bitcoin, figure out what Bitcoin is gonna do. You're gonna know what this is gonna do. But it has some very nice clear paths. Yeah, that's also a bad thing that we broke the support down here. You can see the support, we broke that, right now continue going down below this trend line. But this trend line is actually quite terrible because there are only 2 hits, you know. Maybe you can get a 1 hourly and see on 1 hourly how this looks. Maybe something like this, maybe. Because then you get something over here, right? Give or take. It's really tricky sometimes. Sometimes these trend lines are tricky. Either way, yeah, I won't say it looks that good. I won't say it looks that good right now. I think you know, right now, because there is no clear sign that although the price is going down and the RSI is going up, it's still not divergence because the prices just keep on going down. So you have to have at least 2 green candles, or green candle and some kind of, you know, some kind of doji or whatever. But right now this divergence is not enough because it's not finished. Why can't I join with the link above? I don't know. Click the link and then join. I don't know why you can't join. Guys, does the link in pinned comments work? Check if the link in the pinned comments works. I think only people that are on iPhone can't click on the link. That's the only thing I'm thinking. Ain't no join button. You click the link and the page just open itself. Don't make me double check that, man. Michael, you're bothering me. Okay, let's check it over here. If you press the one. Oh, it doesn't work on iPhone, guys. Sorry, if you get iPhone, it doesn't work. Links works on desktop. Yeah, it's just iPhone that doesn't work because the thing is, members pages. If you made a members page long before and got the join button, you still have join button on your channel page, right, on iPhone. But then you know, the Google and the Apple had some, you know, because Apple takes like 30% cut every time somebody, you know, uses their sign from the iPhone or something like that. Not quite sure where that's coming from, but you know, on iPhone the join button doesn't work. The join button, there is no join button on iPhone, but if you go on desktop or Android, you will have join button. Basically, you sent another link one time that worked. There is no other link, man. What you talking about? You sent another link one time that worked. That's the link, man. youtube.com/thelateadopter/join. That's the link, man. What you talking about? What you talking about? I don't get it. I don't get it. Let me just a second, guys. Oh, okay, okay. I got it. I got it. Maybe this works. Wait. Ah, I got it. Okay, so I figured out what the problem was, guys. I figured out the problem was in the join I wrote join with a big J instead of a little j. Yep, thanks. Michael is doing his job. Very well done, moderator. You are actually where's my you are actually doing your thing. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate it for noticing that. I figured it out. Okay, so it basically looks a little bit bad because it broke down the support. Right now it has the next support at something like 3.0, and after that, if it breaks even that, like down here, it can be bad. How far did we get in? Just joined TFN. Wait. Test the rest thing. Sure. Inverse head and shoulders. I don't actually pray. Okay. That's what. Thanks. Debuting. Are you seeing an inverse cup and handle forming on BTC 4 hourly? Let's see that. Inverse cup and handle on 4 hourly. Let's see over here. You mean this one over here? Yeah, it might be something like that. Over here, but then let's go to 4 hourly. Let's go to this chart over here and remove the moving averages. Yeah, it might be forming inverse head and shoulders. Sorry, inverse cup and handle. Yeah, over here, and it goes up over here and then breaks. So the point of destruction will come if we break this line then. Just by looking at the technicals of the cup and handle, right? If we go down there and then we break, if we break 34,827, we should dump something like, let's not use the biggest wick over here. Let's say this over here. We should dump something to like 28,000 if it's a cup and handle, like 28,008. So this dump that actually might be actually playing out, but it's kind of, yeah, I don't like it because this went up too fast. It's usually just like slow move, and then I don't know. This looks more like. So I don't know. I don't like it. I don't know why I don't like it, but I don't like it. Yep, thank. That's what I was thinking about. I see a divergence in ETH or RSI daily. Let's see ETH, RSI, daily. I don't see any divergence, man. There is no divergence. This over here is not divergence. This over here, this 4 hourly, sorry, daily. No, there is no divergence because this is actually going down. Price is actually going down. RSI is going down. There is no divergence. You cannot use these. You cannot use these over here with this wick over here. You only use the closest pivot points, right? This doesn't matter. This doesn't matter. This Copenhagen was great, and then BT7. Did you check ERA already? We can check ERA. Lol. Thank you, man. If inverse, let me just pick up to check. If inverse head and shoulders for all Bitcoin go good, remember the moon phase start on 24th June. We might have some nice signals. Yeah, on the 24th we get a moon phase, guys. There's a moon phase, guys. We're gonna check the moon phases. Moon phases. Let's go to the moon phases right now over here, and we can just put the line down 24th. down here 24. So you know, the dump right now will actually correspond really nicely with the 24. If you just continue going down, doesn't matter where, like even 28, something like that, like right over here, we hit it on the 24th, like day by day, but then 24th, and then like, wow, guys, you know, that might be the thing, that might be the thing, right? Now if it actually plays out. Link works. Yep, thanks. Can you check auto on 4 hour? Looks like it will break out if BTC behaves. Auto, let's do auto. Yeah, also new coin. It's also going down like ICP. That should be a meme. ICP should be a meme, guys. ICP should be a meme. Well, it broke up on upside on this trend line though, so that's a good thing. I don't see it. Yeah, maybe RSI is going down. Sorry, price going down right now. Picked the upside, but if you want to be bullish, you should be getting above this level up here, about 15,000. What? These some kind of crazy numbers. Okay, great. Glad you don't like it. To the moon we go. I mean, I like some things. I don't like other things, you know. But you know, you get people. You know, you get what you get. You know, that's it. Okay, let's see here. But this looks nice. This looks nice. Let's see how the moving averages are actually behaving on the 4 hourly. Ooh, it's climbing the moving averages, getting hit on the 200 moving average, right? Trying to break the 200 moving average. Looks nice, guys. Wow, it broke the 10 and 20 moving average on the 4 hourly. Sorry, on the daily. So it's nice, you know, some kind of you know, this can actually go up all the way up to the 50 moving averages, continues, you know. But first is 1528. So you're gonna see if this actually managed to get above 58. I'm very glad that it actually managed to get. This was actually some kind of, I think, falling wedge or something like that. It actually broke on the downside. See, falling wedges breaking to the downside. That's bearish, guys. That's bearish. You know, falling wedges break on the downside. That's bearish. But it looks nice. It looks nice. I just by looking at it right now, without further like analyzing it for 2 hours. It does look, we don't have an RSI on the weekly, so I cannot actually check the RSI over here. But we did make a lower low over here. But it will be very nice and very bullish if you can close the weekly above this level up here at 1351. On the weekly, of course, on the weekly. And then next resistance after that should come at 2100. So if you look on the daily chart, 2100 is just above the 50 moving average. So yeah, auto looks nice. Auto looks nice, man. You washed your hair. It looks glorious and lush. Oh, thanks, man. I had to do it, because I've been doing some handiwork lately, and I've been, you know, came in late. Lambo today. Not yet, not yet. Yo, just got on. Hi, Immortal. How you doing? Welcome to the party. Welcome to the party. Welcome everybody to TA Fans Club Special Edition, members only live stream. Hope you're enjoying it. If there is still time, could you check Utrust UTK? Yeah, man. I think I got a UTK here somewhere. No, I don't. Let's see. This is all analysis or something like that. Let's see what's happening. It doesn't seem to be any kind of divergence. It just goes. It just dropped hard. This is bearish. This is very bearish. This is breaking the trend. You see this was the trend. It broke the trend. It went down, and right now I'm making a lower low on the weekly. It's not looking good. And this song, it's not actually. Thank you. So you know, it doesn't look that positive right now, right? Lower low. On just looking it on the weekly time frame. Let's go to the daily and see what's happening on the daily over here. It looks like it's going in some kind of triangle over here. Some kind of triangle. You can already see it. Do you see it, guys? It's already some kind of triangle, right? So something's gonna happen, but it doesn't look good because it's getting pushed by the moving averages on the downside, right? It's going to trying, it's getting pushed now. So unless it does some kind of weird move up here, I think this is gonna break the downside. It's already been bearish, so you know it's kind of expected when you're looking at. This doesn't have enough liquidity and volume to look at it on the small time frames. If I look at it in the very small time frames, Nah, you know, if you're gonna do this, like, be careful, because it looks like it's gonna break the downside. You know, it's some kind of a pennant, you know, continuation pennant. It just follows Bitcoin, I think, and we also think the Bitcoin might actually fall downside. So right now we are bearish on Bitcoin, guys. Okay, Greg, glad you don't like it. Can't stay tonight, lady over, but put a up arrow sometimes so it can pump when I sleep. I'll do that, man. Say hello to the lady and you know, enjoy yourself. BTC maybe is forming a morning star pattern. Yeah, I'm saying, yeah, I've said that I got Patreon and I just did a Patreon video, and I've been saying that it's forming morning star doji. Maybe it's a long shot, but you know, anything can happen, right? Because you can see over here. Let's just remove everything. Now let's go to another chart over here and look at it over here. So what we are looking at here, right, is we are trying to get the same pattern over here, right? Big red candle with a doji in the middle, whether it's a red or green, doesn't matter, and a big green candle. So if we can complete this this candle star pattern, big red candle with a doji in the middle and a big green candle, that's a reversal pattern on the candlesticks, a big reverse candle on candlestick. If we can complete that, that means a big candle tomorrow. That's gonna be super bullish. Number one, because you're above 10 and 20 moving average. You're above 10 and 20 moving average. Number two, you have big green candles, you know, so that might be very, very bullish, but it's a long shot. It's assumptions. We don't do assumptions, you know, so, you know, we are not just hoping, because right now everything's pointing towards the downside and not to the upside, right? And also this this green candle tomorrow has to be above the wick, actually almost where the wick is, give or take. Okay, so tomorrow's green, not today, but tomorrow's green candle must go above this level at 36,468 for the morning doji star to be actually validated, right? So you have to have a green candle above this level up here, right? If it's below that level, it's invalidated. It's invalidated. Great info, thanks. ASX also looks like it could be nice. Let's check out ASX, guys. There is nothing. I got nothing, man. Sorry, I mean okay. AXS. There we go. It looks like it's following the Bitcoin pattern, man. It dropped. It does the same thing, going in some kind of triangle over here right now. Let's see. This is daily. This is weekly. Oh, this is nice. I like this one. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I got so horny, man. Oh, that's nice. Oh, look at this. Oh yeah, nice, very nice, very nice. I like that. I like that a lot. And then the other one should be somewhere down here, I think. Yeah. Oh, that's nice as well. It's nice. I appreciate that. It's nice. Let's see in the moving averages. 200 moving average right down there. We still haven't fallen. It is climbing kinda moving averages right now, but you know, it looks like it dumped at the same time with Bitcoin dumped too. Yeah, it almost did. It looks like it's following the Bitcoin now. Yeah, I mean the price. Yeah, it does follow Bitcoin. Like, you know, same moves to upside, same moves. So if Bitcoin goes down, this goes down. If Bitcoin goes up, this goes up. It's not. It's correlated with Bitcoin, and that means that this pattern, this triangle pattern, has more likely to break on downside than upside right now, just because of Bitcoin does that, right? Thanks, but you the best. You're welcome, junk. How about one? Can you check it, please? Yes. Have fun, John. We are bearish on Bitcoin. What did I miss? Yeah, we're bearish on Bitcoin. Unfortunately, we are bearish on Bitcoin. We'll do a recap on Bitcoin soon. You don't see an inverse head and shoulders 4 hour, a big one. Inverse head and shoulders 4 hour, big one. Let's go do that, man. Inverse head and shoulders. Oh yeah, I see that, but it's it's you know, you still gotta get up there, you know. And right now everything's pointing towards towards downside than to the upside. But sure, yeah, it's nice head and shoulders pattern if it works out. But you know, these things don't always work out. You know, sometimes they don't. Let's just do it like this over here. Fix a little bit. There you go. So yeah, inverse head and shoulders for all, but you still got to have the last leg up, right? So you're not even close there. So I don't know if there's too much point of talking about that, because right now it actually might play out. Maybe it might play out. Let's see over here. If this wedge fails, which doesn't seem it's actually failing right now, but if we for some reason, I don't know, for some reason go and test the wedge again, then maybe, you know, maybe. Yes, it brings us to 48k. We are one the way. Yeah, it's a big move to make. It's a big move to make. And right now there are some problems in the paradise. Unfortunately, there are problems in the paradise, like us being pushed down by the moving averages. So we still gotta get above the moving averages, and we tried for like right now 4, 8, 12 hours to just pass this 10 moving average, and we are having trouble, you know. But it might happen. It might happen. But right now it's kind of hard to pass the 10 moving average. Kind of hard to pass 10 moving average. We're gonna see. On the way to 24. Yeah, either up or either down. No, this wedge over here, the rising wedge is saying that we're gonna go down to 32, right? We did the calculation, it's around 32. And then there is this, you know, this cup and handle that's actually saying 28, something like that, right? 28 down there, you know. So it can be cup and handle, but I said, like, I don't like the cup and handle because this movie just is too weird for me. I should like a better cup, but you know, it's too weird. So I like this wedge better, and if we're going down, I think like 32 is most likely. We got new member, TF Fans Club. Welcome, Zaid Alata. How you doing, man? Enjoy the chat, enjoy the clubhouse, enjoy the emojis. You can spam anything. Welcome, welcome, welcome. You are the 4th member today. Enjoy. And if you got any kind of questions, you wanna ask something, you wanna check me to check something, as long as there is time, you know, until people start spamming, you know, just ask. Hello, man, how you doing? TF Fans Club. Yeah, we are growing the community, guys. We are growing the TF Fans Club community. I don't think anybody, and I don't think any channel got TF Fans Club community like we do right now. We got the moons, guys. We got the moons, and everybody's waiting for 24. If we get the moons right, I'm gonna do only moon live streams from now on. I'm gonna do TA on with the moon phases on everything. This might be a bit new, but looks interesting. What's that? Bitcoin Cash 3/3 fork S on KuCoin. Yeah, it does look weird, man. It does look. This might be a bit new, but looks interesting. BCH3S. Huobi, KuCoin, Tether. Yeah, it's very new. It's only like, you know, it's not how many weeks? 4 weeks old. BCH3S. Huobi. Huobi has more data on it, guys. Don't forget the link. What kind of link? Am I forgetting some kind of link? I want to see moon cycles on USDC. Okay, sure, man. Let's see USDC. Yeah, we got some moon cycles, man. We got a moon cycles. I hope this is the same thing, BCH3, like, but it looks bad, guys. Maybe it found some kind of button down here. I mean, it looks like a button, like you know what. So, you know, if it cannot break this level down here at 0.00104 or whatever, you know. Chain link. Michael, you forget link. Oh, chain link. Who asked for the chain link, guys? Who asked for the chain link? NK embrace multi-week downtrend. Did I forget the link? Did somebody ask about the link? Okay, glad you don't like it. The moon we go. You washed your hair. Is there a time you can do it, TP? I don't know, man. I don't think I forgot Link. Nobody asked for about Link. Ada, somebody asked about Ada, you know, so we'll check Ada. No way, we got Moons, Dodge Daddy, Hair, Insane Clown Pose, best crypto channel out there. Well, now that this music is coming on, you know what kind of time. When somebody mentions it, you know, we gotta do it because it's the law of attraction or something. Channel, you know, sorry, one and Harmony. Harmony 1 and Cardano. Yeah, Harmony 1 Cardano. Michael, stop bothering me. I got stuff to do, like it's hard to concentrate. No, Michael is doing his job today. Michael's actually doing his job, so we gotta be nice with Michael. Okay, let's do Era first. But I think I did Era, but let's do Era again. I got Era somewhere up here. Yeah, Ada is looking terrible, guys. Millionaire, you say go lazy. Okay, guys, Ada is looking terrible. First of all, on the daily chart, it broke some very important resistance up here, right? We made a low and made another low without the divergence. There was no divergence up here. There is no divergence on the arrow side, right? So this isn't a good sign that we are making low, right? Right now, on this candle over here, we are breaking the next resistance down here. So we are breaking the resistance after resistance on the way down without stopping. So it's a bad sign as well. We are getting pushed by the moving averages on the daily. This is the 10, 20, and this is the 10, 20, and 50 moving average. And right now the 10 is pushing us down. Right, and then you got this blue line that's resistance line. And even that is pushing us down. So I think if you start breaking this level down here at 131, that can be very, very bad. And for the last indicator that this is actually quite bad is that you see this blue line. This is the 100 moving average on Cardano. And on Cardano, 100 moving average has been holding for a very long time. And yesterday we actually managed to break it and go down. Very bad. So I'm thinking Cardano, just like Bitcoin, might actually fall down. That's why I'm saying that Bitcoin might actually go down more than actually it has more downside than upside right now. It's more bearish than bullish because a lot of altcoins are looking like they're gonna break more to the downside. Marcos, welcome to the TFNs club. How you doing? Enjoy the club. If you got any questions, just ask. Spam as much emojis as you want. Alts bleeding, man. Yeah, alts are bleeding. Not yet. They will bleed soon, I think. They will bleed soon, but not yet. Okay, so I did ADA and Harmony 1. Let's do Harmony 1. I don't know who asked for Harmony, but let's do Harmony. By the way, just let you, I don't like this label, symbol name, yeah. Remove symbol name. Marcos, yeah, boy. That's right. Harmony is still going down. Yeah, volume going down, price going down. But might be some kind of a falling wedge. Is this a falling wedge, guys? Is this a falling wedge? Let's give us hope, man. Give us a hope. Yeah, this is a falling wedge, guys. If this falling wedge breaks to the downside, it will be very, very bearish, because usually falling wedges break to the upside, right? But if the falling wedges break on the side they're not supposed to break, like falling wedge breaks on downside, that's a bearish signal, first of all, because it's going down. But secondly, it's actually doing something that's not actually supposed to be. You will see a lot of time, like when you got rising wedges in a bull market, right? Price goes and breaks to the upside on the rising wedge, right? It's super bullish, right? Because these wedges usually break, but then you come to this resistance and you just push through it, like, you know, that's bullishness. That's like showing the bullishness. But right over here, right now, it looks like we're gonna break on the downside. It doesn't look like it's gonna break. Sorry, it does not look, but we are actually getting pushed down by the 10 moving average. You know, so maybe Harmony is one of these coins that are actually gonna, you know, moon to the, you know what, moon hard while everything else drops, you know, but you never know. You never know. Let's look at a 4-hourly right over here. Let's put up, see. Yeah, there is on the 4-hourly there is bullish divergence, you know. So it maybe should, but it's too far, and there is no divergence on the daily. I don't know, it looks sketchy to me. Like, why would the Harmony 1, you know, be any more bullish than, for example, Cardano? Does Cardano, let's clean up everything up here really nicely. Maybe, am I missing something? Is this some kind of a, is this some kind of a, I don't think I'm missing anything. I don't think I'm missing anything. Asad Nadem, welcome to TFN's Club. How you doing, Asad? Enjoy the club. If you got any questions, if you want to ask for any coins, just pop it in chat. I think we can call it when rally gets sold and pattern break wrong. That's a sure sign of B market. Yeah, when patterns are, you know, start like breaking down. PNL is in the house. Welcome, man. How you doing? I like the green chat. I like the green chat, guys. I gotta tell you. I don't call it debuting. Yeah, Ron doesn't want to call it, man. Ron doesn't want to call it. Ron was not now. I think it's too early to call it. I'm also not in the, you know, B word area right now. I think there is still, you know, probability that we can actually work this out. Because right now we are still holding above this level up here. We are still holding above the all-time level. Like when we really start going down or something. At one point, I think people will agree that we are actually in the bear market and stuff like that, in the B market. But I don't think right now, especially after the big move to the upside over here that we had a really big move to the upside, and like especially this big move to the upside over here when we broke some very important levels up here. Unfortunately, we didn't break this level up here, right? We got stopped out, and that was the last level, and then we got rejected. So, you know, if we can go back above this level up here at 40,568, I think maybe. Wait, B stands for bull and bear. This guy's smart. What do you think about bullish divergence on BTC? What time frame? What time frame? Because, you know, time frame is important. But let's say I don't see bullish divergence on the daily, at least right now. I don't see bullish divergence on the daily. Weekly. Do you know NKN? Could you check? Oh yeah, NKN. Yeah, I saw you wrote it. Sorry about that, man. NKN. Let's go check NKN while we're waiting for this answer. You know how I know about NKN? I don't know about, but there is a guy that has a YouTube channel and he shoots a lot of stuff, you know. And he was talking about NKN. And he was talking about how not NKN. Do you know which no. Uniswap, Binance, Coinbase, not Coinbase, Perch. It's okay. He was shilling NKN down here, I think, somewhere, right? And it pumped hard. But everything pumps, you know, it's not his shilling that's pumping the price. 9,752, wow. I personally don't think it's over and I'm still bullish. It's too early to call it over. The big whales make more fireworks to force us to think bearish. Thank you so much. Enjoy your TAs. Chills, Matic and T-Fuel, please. Also the Mass Energy BTC. Thank you so much. Enjoy your Chili's, Matic, T-Fuel, please. Also the Mass Energy BTC. Yeah, we are doing BTC all the time. We're gonna check those. I personally think it's over. Yeah. Let's check at NKN, man. Well, NKN is actually in a bear, like it blew off just like everything else. Right now it's in a downtrend. So actually only this part over here is actually really interesting for us right now. It cannot break the, you know, the downtrend. It's slowly just bleeding towards downside right now, give or take. It looks like just bleeding to the downside. Just bleeding to the downside. Right now there are no clear patterns over here yet. Maybe there was some kind of you know, divergence up here and then pushed up, but right now it's going back down again. So that's the daily. Let's see 4 hourly right now. There is nothing. Let's see the moving averages up here. Getting pushed down by the moving averages. all moving averages right now. We might get some kind of support on the 200 moving average, but if it starts breaking 200 moving average down here, it might actually be look quite bad. Also, it's getting down to the last support, and it's actually breaking the last support on the downside on the daily chart right over here. You can see that it's breaking the last support down here. So it looks very bearish. It looks like it's gonna go test the 200 moving average down here. You can see it's already did that once, you know, so it might actually do it again pretty quick. Even my dogs are bullish. You got dogs, man? What kind of dogs do you have? Agree on. I like your contrarian thinking, but they do a very good job with all the macro markets and the dollar and such. Of course, I hope you're right. We need a dog emoji with Ron in it. No, he's already right. Dog. It's gonna be a bull emoji. It's gonna be a bull emoji. Okay, so for the new guy, Assad, let's do chilies. No, this is not it. Where's my chilies? They are the best. Also, Musk team behind. Some things just don't connect. For me, when they don't connect, something's smelling. Yeah, I mean, it definitely is. Highlight adopter, thanks for your quality analysis. Can you please analyze SparkPoint? Great project team, but been down. Do you see any hope in the charts with SRK? Thanks. I'll check that for you, man. I'll check that out. Pitbull and Golden Retriever. Wow, man. I got a Chihuahuas. 2. Sorry, have you already covered XRP in this stream? If yes, I will look for it myself. I haven't. I can check it out. DMB hype. Been watching for months and I'm a fan and Patreon member. Thanks for taking time. Oh man, you Patreon member. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. So let's see. Let's take a look at chilies first. So where is it? Where is it? Chilies. So Chile is doing the same thing as the previous one we did. What was premium ones we did? NKN. It's the same pattern. Chile is doing the same thing right now. Let's zoom in on daily. Let's clear it up. But it is being affected more by the Bitcoin than anything else though. Let's see on this weekly. Yeah, it seems so. Right now we get all the way up to the 10 moving average and get rejected back down. So that isn't a good sign right now. You can see here we went up to the 50 moving average and right now we got some kind of support on 20 moving average, you know, but you know, we'll take anything, you know, but the weekly doesn't look good. That's the problem. Like you are below 20 moving average and you cannot even get above it. You know, still looks bearish to me. Right over here, right now, you know, it's doing better than Bitcoin. I can tell you that because you know it went all the way up and right now it's not falling that hard down. So if it starts falling down, I will be looking at 200 moving average for support. But if it breaks the support, you know, it can be actually bad right now. But I don't see right now any kind of pattern forming over here. I'm trying to figure it out. Might be some kind of channel though, at best. Yeah, it might be some kind of channel, give or take. Right now we are below, sitting on this downside of the channel, sitting on the last 100 moving average. So if it breaks down over here, it's gonna be bad, guys. It's gonna be bad. Chili's, let's see, Matic. Yeah, I think we did. No, I didn't do Matic. But Matic is actually doing. I did Matic on Patreon, so. Matic got rejected by the 20 moving average on the daily and right now went through all the moving averages down here. All the moving averages, so it is in a downtrend, but right now, you know, the important line not to break is 125. If you break 125, it creates lower low, which is actually terrible because right now it has low, higher low, it's good, but if it goes goes down here, it's gonna be bad, right? But right now it looks like it's getting pushed down. You can see also on the 4 hour it's below all the moving averages, and on 1 hour it's below all the moving averages. So it's getting pushed down right now, and there is right now there is no other side divergence or anything like that that can actually help it get out. There is you know, Morningstar doji pattern over here that we've been talking on Bitcoin. But this on the 4 hourly and did play out, you know, but you know, these things don't play out to the moon. You know, they play out a little bit, bottom out, go up a little bit, and then continue going down. So Matic doesn't look that good, guys. Matic looks like he's gonna do the same thing like everything else, go more down, go more down. And T-Fuel is interesting because T-Fuel, guys, T-Fuel is one of the things that are actually bullish. And it looks nice. And not only that, you can see here on the top over here that T-Fuel actually managed to create a new all-time high with today's candle. Not all-time high, but the close is right now looking to make it all-time high close. So that's good. It's above all the moving averages on the daily, 4 hourly, even not 1 hourly, but it is on the 4 hourly, right? Yeah, it's in on 4 hourly. And it is going some kind of, where is this? You know, this might have had been some kind of a triangle, right? It might have been some kind of triangle, this over here, right? Might have gone out of triangle, got some kind of retest and bounced off of it. I won't speculate too much what's it doing exactly right now, but it looks like it's going higher. This might... No, there is no divergence up here. Let's look at a daily. No, there is no divergence here. There is no divergence between these two. Yes, there is a little bit, but you know, it's still not completed. I think T-Fuel is actually looking, out of everything we watched today, T-Fuel looks best, man. I got 4 dogs. All my dogs are still bullish. I'm relatively new to crypto, so it's good to get an experienced view. Yeah. DNB has. Sorry, have I already covered XRP? Let's check out XRP. XRP for the people. This is the weekly. Let's see the weekly. Oh, weekly is going down below 20 moving average. This is actually terrible if this actually holds. Very terrible. Let's see daily. Daily bleeding down towards the 200 moving average. We don't want to fall below 200 moving average. Maybe you can get some kind of support. But right now there is no indication for the support. There is no overextended level, no nothing. And I don't know, guys, if you've seen you know, the live stream today. We've checked a lot of altcoins, right? And you can see there is not much I mean, there are a few exceptions, but most things, like, it's really hard to figure out, or it's really hard to get some kind of bullish sentiment on most of the stuff. It's really hard to get some bullish sentiment. So it doesn't matter how you put it, like, it always, like over here, it's even right now it's going down, it's breaking into the downside over here, right? So it doesn't look good. It doesn't look good. You see here, it went up to the on 4 hour, went up to the 10 moving average and just getting rejected. You don't want to fall on the 4 hour. You don't want to fall below this level up here where it's right now sitting at, right? So we're gonna see if once we break that, if we're gonna just drop down straight down. There's still 1 hour. This is last candle before the actually daily close. Last candle before daily close, and on the XRP you'll see what, you know, it's this it just broke all of the lows. Like, this was a low, this was a low, this was a low, and just right now it just broke everything, right? So, you know, you cannot be very bullish when you see stuff like that. You cannot be very bullish like you see stuff like that. It was 1 hour BTC, but scrap that. RUSDT 1 hour and 4 hour looks. Guys, if I missed something, because right now I'm trying to pick up all the chat, I'm trying to go over everything, you know, because you guys matter. So could you check Bake? Yeah, it was 1 hour BTC, but scrap that. RUSDT 1 hour and 4 hour looks. Okay, RUSDT. Wow, I mean, you got nothing here, man. It's so little data, like, yeah. I can't even, like, maybe support line down here. Yeah, sure, there's a support line. But up line is kind of sketchy. Let's try to... Yeah. Maybe it's a channel, something like some sort, right? Maybe some kind of channel. Give or take, maybe some kind of channel. But on 4 hourly, it is above all the moving averages, you know, bullish, but you know, 4 hourly. Daily, yeah, I just jumped above all the moving average. It's hard to tell. There is not enough data for it, you know. Let's see if there is any divergence or anything like it. No divergence on the 4 hourly, 1 hourly. No, it looks good, like, but it's really hard to figure out what's gonna do. You know, if Bitcoin drops down, maybe this is gonna drop down as well. Could you please check Bake? We have Chua, cat, parrot, rabbit, hamster. The fish died. I feel like Ace Ventura sometimes. How many kids you got, man? How many kids you got? That's what I wanna know. Nobody has that kind of many stuff without having like a bunch of kids. Wow, it's a long time since I did Bake, but it looks like it's following the channel. So it's still in the channel. If it starts falling down, you know, maybe it's gonna hit the bottom of this channel on the downside. It's a big channel, Bake, but it's been just going down, at least on Binance. It's below all the moving average on the daily. It's below all the moving average on the 4 hourly. It's just doing the same thing like everything else. And right now on the 4 hourly, we have already broken all these 4 hourly levels. So we are actually, you know, all of these levels up here are actually being broken right here. So right now we are just getting pumped to the upside before we actually continue to the downside again. I think it doesn't look good. It's just like everything else. It has the same pattern going on. So I mean, it's moving the same way. I think it moves to the downside. I think it moves to the downside for today and tomorrow. Could you check 1 inch? Yeah. It doesn't look good, however you look at it. What was going to be pushed down by the moving averages is simply because anyone reading the chart sees the same, they are either selling or not buying. Moving averages are about just support and resistance lines. That's the first thing you have to understand. They are just acting as a support and resistance. If you are below the moving averages, they are resistance. If you are above the moving averages, they are support. So when price goes up and starts hitting some kind of moving averages, then it comes fight between the, you know, bears and the bulls, who has enough power to push the price above or below the moving averages, right? And you know, that's how you just like a regular support and resistance line. Like you have some kind of you know, some kind of support line down there. The price is not being pushed by it, you know, but it just jumps on the support line, right? On the support line. Now, if you have a moving average, some kind of moving average, right, and you have a price that's actually using a support and starts going up, then it pushes the price upwards. So the moving average can act as a support and push price higher and higher until it actually pushes, you know, above a certain resistance and stuff like that. Moving averages, support and resistance lines, guys. It's basically that. Could you check 1 inch? Yeah, 1 inch messed me up, guys. 1 inch messed me up. Everything messed me up, guys. Let's see here. It doesn't look good. We went up to the 10 and 20 moving average, got rejected right now down. Cannot get back. We're right back down here again on the support over here. What kind of support is this? This is a weekly time frame right now. Sitting some kind of nice level, but it's gonna, if it's a downtrend, it's gonna change. Right now, you know, right now below the 10 and 20 moving average. Again, yesterday we actually broke the 10 and 20 moving average. Right now it's still going down on below 10 and 20 moving average. There is some kind of pattern over here. I'm gonna try to figure it out what it is, but it's below moving average. On the 4 hourly, still below all the moving average. So 4 hour, see here, very nicely 10 moving average. You know, it's acting as a resistance. You know, price cannot even break the 10 moving average. That's a very better sign. Okay, I sold all my back. 10% loss. I got lost in the chat. Spark. Oh, sorry, man. Sorry, Mark. I saw that, but I forgot. Sorry, man. We'll get to you. Okay. But better than minus 20, 30, 40% loss, right? Sometimes one has to take the loss, right? Better be rich than poor. Or better be poor than poorer. I'm going to use the money of my alts, the DCA, and my BTC. That's my son to be. So you see here, we are looking to break these kind of levels on the downside. Like everything looks very bearish, guys. Everything looks very bearish. However you look at it, everything looks very bearish. Even 1 inch looks very bearish. There might be some kind of trend line going on here. Something like this, give or take. I won't use this one because, you know, only 2 hits. You know, when you got only 2 hits, you gotta improvise a little bit. Let's use 1 hourly. I don't see it. Only 2 hits. Is there anything back here? Yeah, there must be some kind of you know, line down here. Yeah, I guess this is it. So this looks like it's forming head and shoulders then, guys. You know, and if that's correct, then 1 inch, if the head and shoulders is correct, it doesn't look for 1 inch. You know. Maybe we are in for some. Oh, that's gonna be big, man. What's this? I hope I did that wrong, guys. I hope I did that wrong. I hope I did that wrong. I hope it does play out that way, guys. I hope it does play out that way. Let's see what's SRK doing. SRK, Qcoin, Spark. Well, it doesn't look like it's doing that good. Yeah, it's just creating lower lows by the week. On the daily, it's getting just bleeding down. Might be doing the same thing that you know, Harmony One is doing, creating a falling wedge for whatever reason. You can see here a falling wedge, but we gotta ask ourselves, like, if this, like, although falling wedges break to the upside, if this falls breaks to the downside, it's gonna be very bearish sign, because usually these things fall to the upside, you know, they should, but if they break to the downside, it's a very, very bad sign. Just keep that in mind. Let's look at the moving averages up here. You can see that we are below all the moving averages, getting pushed down. Let's look at a 4 hourly, getting pushed down on the 4 hourly as well. You can see here, it tries to hold this level up here, but right now I think it is gonna drop as soon as we start a new in 1 hour and 30 minutes. I think, you know, everything is gonna start dropping hard, because it's through. Usually, when if you want this to turn to the upside, guys, usually there is some kind of bottoming pattern. There's some kind of bullish moves. There is something that actually gives you some kind of optimism. But right now there is very little that can give you optimism. You know, there are certain coins that are performing like better than other coins, but most of these things that we have been looking at are not actually performing that good. And entirety, like, this looks like it's gonna drop down. I'm not saying we're gonna go zero. It's, you know, it's a B word market, but we might have a dump, and that dump might actually be good to most of the upside, but we'll see. Dollar pumps, wait till that trends back to buy back into crypto, I think. Okay, let's check ZIL, guys. Let's check ZIL. But Spark Point, man, it's in some kind of falling wedge over here, and I don't feel it's gonna break to the upside. I have more feeling that it's gonna just break to the downside, although it is hugging the upper line, upper trend line up here. Let's see 1 hourly. I've seen it before, like, it tries, you know, it just get pushed more, like every try just get rejected back down. So, you know, I see more downside to this. On short term more downside. Zilka is nice, man. We can do ZIL. I have still somewhere here. Zilka finally correcting. Wow, this was a big rising wedge. This is like the biggest rising wedge ever. Don't you guys think? Ronald up to 25 bucks. Thanks, man. Appreciate money. Look at Zilka. This is the biggest rising wedge we've seen so far, I think. Ever since like over here in October, it started actually going into this. Then fell out of wedge, tried to get it back up and tried to hold it, cannot, and then dropped hard. And right now it looks like it's bleeding towards the downside. So I think, you know, it popped the cherry, and right now it's going to correction right now. You know, hit down to the 50 moving edge, tried to get back on the 10 moving edge, got rejected by that. That's basically like, you know, it's going down. It's going down over here. We can see the daily chart. You can see on the daily it's getting pushed down by the moving averages right now below everything. Not only that, on the daily chart it already broke certain levels down here, right? You know, we only got this level down here left before it actually starts stumbling down, but all of this up here is already broken. It's just gonna continue going down right now. So right now, right, you can see even here on the 4-hourly, went down, went back up, tried to get above the 10 moving, cannot get in right now, going down. So everything is looking to break this level down here right now, and then it's gonna tumble down. It doesn't look good, still it doesn't look good, just like everything else. Appreciate it. Ron the whale. Guys, how did you like the members only live chat so far? AMP is performing decent, but BTC is pressuring. Yeah, AMP is performing, right? If I'm not wrong, AMP is performing. It's still holding the 10 moving average. As long as it holds that, like, it's fine. Weekly, yeah, it looks better than everything else. I don't know what it is, but it is clear uptrend, right? It looks better than everything else. It's great. 200k incoming. This is great, thanks. Yeah, 200k. Sorry, the AMP is actually doing very nice on the weekly time frame. Like right now, above 10 moving average, getting higher high. You know, it is bullish. Let's see over here on the daily chart. Right now, there is no sign of topping out the divergence or anything like that. Small pullback down to the downside, sure, no problem. Isn't breaking this. Isn't breaking the trend towards the upside. All nice. 4-hourly. Yeah, it looks nice. In 4-hourly, trying to hold the trend. The trend is actually down here. This is a new trend. Maybe it's starting going into some kind of parabolic move. This is 2, 3, 4, maybe. Maybe started going to some kind of parabolic. I'm loving it, private club. Private club, guys. Guys, you guys watching, if you're interested in joining the private club, get your green name, post the emojis, you know, from time to time. If you got something to say, you might want to consider supporting the channel. In your view, is this a temporary downtrend and then back up? In my view, well, Coinbase just gave away some AMP for free, so hopefully it doesn't dump hard. Hopefully. I was hoping at least that we could test the 10 moving average on the way up, but we didn't even come close to the 10 moving average. You can see here 10 moving average is at 24, 25. We came only up to 41,000. So that's the fact that we are not even testing the right now the 10 moving average is not actually a good sign. If this candle, this weekly candle, if you continue going down today and this candle up here is bearish, you know, bearish engulfing candle, that's also gonna be a bad sign. I think everything depends on this 50 moving average. If we break the 50 moving average, I don't think there is any reason to not call it anything else but bear market, right? If we break the 50 moving average and stay below 50 moving average for a week or something like that, then, you know, it looks quite bad. Like, it's really hard to argue that if you go down here, that somehow you're gonna just like bounce right back up again. Like, it's hard to argue. It can happen, but it's hard to argue. Like, you have to look at day by day, week by week, and see how it actually performs. But right now, like, the 50 moving average is, I think it's alpha omega. Right now also, we got some kind of support down here. We don't want to break at 32,000. So as long as the support is not broken down here, as long as we are above the 50 moving average, as long as we are just going sideways over here, doesn't matter what we actually do, like sideways up here, it really doesn't matter. But, you know, if we start creating some kind of lower levels down here below 30,000, like, the faster you get down to this 200 moving average, the better. The faster you get, like, if you could just drop down to 200 moving average right now and then continue up, that would be the best case scenario, the way I see it. TI is great, thanks. You're always honest and manage to keep spirits up in tough and good times. Well, right now I was quite bearish on this, but you know, you know, sometimes it's okay to say how things are. And although I do think that we might maybe go a little bit down today or something like that over here, I do actually think that and hope that this can actually recover and continue going up. But, you know, you gotta take it from, you know, from week to week, from day to day, because technicals change so fast. Russ Wheeler, $5. How long do you think it will take for the next actual bull run compared to other years when this one is done? Do you think it will come all around sooner? I don't think it will come any sooner or anything like that. You know, I think Bitcoin is pretty much cyclical in the markets because of the halving times. So because of that, I think, you know, people are pretty good at predicting when it's gonna, you know, when it's gonna happen. But first we have to figure out if this is the start of the bear market or not. Great, thanks. I prefer realistic talk instead of fake fluff talk. Also in the bear markets there are golden nuggets and sometimes a little rainbow, of course. It's why I enjoy TLA. Good to know, guys. Somebody asked me about Quant. Let's check Quant. Chris Margaret, $10. Chris, appreciate the money. Thanks. Let's see if we can just put some chill music. Thanks for the bucks, guys. Thanks for the bucks. Appreciate the bucks. Quant, monthly. It's Quant's been around for a longer time than this, right? Yeah, it's been. What is this doing? What's this, guys? What's this? What is this, guys? What is this? Immortal, and of course we are to suffer a little rain, but Quant is on Binance. No, Quant stamp is not the same as Quant, right? No bear market, no, bear market not good. no. Yeah, I don't want bear market either, man. Sorry, Butin. We can surely go up in N21, 22. Check Benjamin Cohen for the long-term perspectives. El Producto, welcome to the TFNs Club. How you doing, man? Thanks for joining. Thanks for coming, becoming part of the family. Welcome to the family. And you know, enjoy the chat, enjoy your green name, enjoy the emojis. Stick around. QNT, yeah. QNT, yeah. Bittrex, Ucoin, yeah. I have not a lot of these coins that are QQ and Bittrex, not on Binance. They are not correlated Bitcoin, so that might actually be something that you guys want to check out. It looks good, guys. I don't know what Quant is, but it is going up, definitely. It's monthly going up. But right now the monthly is sitting at some kind of 92 levels. Weekly it's sitting at 71, so it's not overbought or anything like that right now. It's still going up. Looks like it's gonna go for a pullback over here to the 10 or 20 moving average, depends. But looks like right now it's just finished the big consolidation and start pumping right now. So, you know, that's actually quite good. The fact that after the consolidation it's not going down, it's going up, it's actually a good thing. It's a good thing. But every time I see something like this, like really nicely pumping. Like I'm thinking like it's got low liquidity or something like that. But there was divergence here on the 4 hourly, and then it went down, but went up, and then there is no divergence up here. So I wonder if it's gonna go over here and you know, continue going down. So you know, if it starts continuing going down, it might actually go down to 50 moving average up here. We'll see. Did you buy BTC the other day when we were bullish? Is that the reason we're dropping? Bogdan always watching you. Sometimes I buy in, right? And I think like this might be it, but like 10 seconds later I'm like, oh nah, I think I made a wrong. I'm gonna wait a little bit more. Sometimes my gut feeling gets to me, you know. Quant is just wait. I don't know what quant is, but it is bullish, however you look at it. Let's see if we can. You know, looking for patterns takes too long time. So you will see when I'm doing these quick live streams that I'm not looking for that much for patterns. Patterns that just take way too long time to figure it out. You know, you gotta test this. You know, this looks like a expanding channel to me, upwards. So you know, we might actually expect this actually to go all the way up here, something like that on 20 before, you know, if it's go down, you know. But expanding channels, broadening channels, right? They are reversal patterns, so it's going upwards. So you know, this is gonna break on the downside sooner or later. But there you go. You got some kind of resistance line, some kind of support line. There's probably some kind of nah, this got broken right now. Nah, I don't want to speculate in this. I don't want to speculate because you can check the monthly. It's too hard. Chizin, welcome to the TFN Club. How you doing, man? Enjoy the show. Enjoy your green name and the emojis. Thanks for supporting the channel. What if we test 50 MA first and then go up? On which one? I think oh, getting tired, guys. I think I missed something, but I don't know where. I think I read something somewhere. Cheers from Nova Scotia streamer data doing nice. Cheers from Scotland. Streamer data doing nice. Data. We can check data for you, man. Come on, just waiting for a new moon. Yeah, everything's waiting for a new moon. Yeah, safe moon. Also, safe moon we did, but you know there is a bad chart for the safe moon. It's not data. Streamer data coin. Okay, I get it. Weekly. Well, it looks bullish though. It looks like it's holding this weekly 200 moving average. And right now went down, pumped from the support, so that's actually a good sign. There's no divergence right off the bat that I can actually see. Might be hitting some kind of resistance right now, but you know, it does seem that it wants to go higher right now. It's trying to break this 50 moving average on the 4 hourly, but technically, like long term, it does looks fine. That's not broken yet, and this one is actually broken. So, oh, we got more over here. You have a few resistances to get through right over here, but if it can get through this part over here, you know, then it's at all-time high. It can go very high, so it kind of depends. Maybe there is some kind of a trend line going on over here. Do you think? Maybe. Wow, that's some depressive music right over there, man. Let's go there. Streamer data looks fine, but you know, you wanna hold above the 20 moving average, this 20 moving average up here. I think you wanna hold about 20 moving average on this. The weekly, it just goes too fast. You know, on the daily, you wanna get back up above the 50 moving average up here. I think you wanna get back above the 50 moving average. But it looks like it's the 200 moving average that actually is the king on this chart over here right now. Yeah, 200 moving average. Look at it for 200 moving average on the 4 hourly. Yeah, and right now giving support. You don't want to fall below 200 moving average. But right now it looks like it looks okay-ish, I think. Dump stop. Pump. I wish alts would hold up better, keep their strength, and then flip Bitcoin altogether after the King's falls. You think King will fall? I don't know, man. I don't think King will fall. I think King will stay there. Okay, this is the last coin, guys. It looks like this topped out. This is Finnish. Had you know, huge other side divergence up here, went down, right now sitting below the 10 moving average, sitting on the 20, falling down through the 20. I think this popped the cherry. Yeah, it's just bleeding slowly downwards right now. It's just bleeding slowly downwards. Next level support is like somewhere at 200, but it looks like it's going down more with the Bitcoin and everything. I think this is Finnish. Was that 90 level on the other side on the weekly? Yeah, I think this this exploded when it started in February, March. Yeah, I think this is finished. PLN $5. Thanks, man. Appreciate the money. Okay, guys, that's it for the altcoins. I hope you enjoyed that. Hope you enjoyed that. I don't know what I pressed right now. Brave Liquid Coin. Yeah. Unfortunately, we're all chained at the cliffside. Dump stop, then Moon and Lambos. The Bitcoin is the premier crypto. Bitcoin is the premier crypto. Long live the king. I'm 100% BTC now, sold off my alts. Thanks for looking. You're welcome, you're welcome. At least I can do for my posse. Have a good night. Bye, see you next time. I didn't say I'm gonna go. I said altcoins are finished. I said altcoins are finished. I mean, it's the king, but it looks like it's dropped. Much appreciated. Thanks, dude. Give your voice a rest. Have a good night. Well, since everybody wants me to quit then. Doesn't matter. It's not much to talk about either way. Let's see how this is holding on the 4-hourly time frame. It's getting rejected by the 10 moving average. By the 10 moving average getting rejected, this is gonna be dump, guys. Thank you, TLI. You're welcome, man. You're welcome. I appreciate everybody coming here to chat. Appreciate everybody. We got new 8 members for in the club, guys. We got 8 new members. So the live stream was a success. 8 new members is a lot more than not 8 new members. Lol, we all misheard you. When are you back on? Right now. I think if we fall below 35, I'll line up here and then start falling through this level down here as well. On the 4-hourly, you know, it can cascade into a bigger drop. Tell us about your favorite crypto moments. I have bad crypto moments. I don't have a good crypto moments. When was my good crypto moment? I don't know. 2018. I think most of our good crypto moms were in the bear market in 2018. Because although everything was going up in the bull market, it wasn't so exciting, you know. I was just sitting on my, you know, on my Bitcoin all the time. I go after this and cut a finger. Why would you cut a finger? Thanks TLA and all the members. More upside for TLA and the TF Fans Club. Okay guys, I think we're gonna turn it off there. Thanks for joining the stream, it was fun. I want to do this because I saw that the new thing YouTube has put up, like if you have members, you can, you know, members only chat and stuff like that. So I thought, you know, that can that can actually, you know, help us you know, connect a little bit more with the community. Guys, on the 24th, when is 24th? Next Thursday is the full moon. So, you know, until next Thursday, we can actually still go down. But after next Thursday, it's, you know, the moon, guys. The moon. Anyways, guys, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate all the green names. So every time I ask, like, you guys gotta come and like spam the emojis, because have a nice knife. Will the live stream continue on the channel? Yeah, we're gonna continue live streams from time to time. Like the video on the way out. Yeah, like the video on the way out. You don't have to like the video on the way in, but on the way out, like the video. Hello, so what's happening? Your hair looks fresh. Yeah, I took a shower. That's why I don't like, because my hair looks too fresh. Moon type upcoming. Okay, guys, cheers. I'm gonna pump the little bit pump the chat a little bit before we go, because you know, guys, you know, although it looks very dark, although it looks like we're gonna fall down, all we have to do is one full moon, and we're going up. One full moon, and we're gonna go up. Have a nice evening, guys. Bye bye. Sleep tight. Always lies the way for me. I'm in love with a meme about as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go Dutch, go Dutch, Doge Daddy, yeah. Go Dutch, go Dutch, Doge Daddy, yeah. Dancing Teslas and SpaceX, this techno king is on a roll. There is no shame in his game. He's having fun, he's in control. I'm in love with a meme about as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go Dutch, go Dutch, Doge Daddy, yeah. Go Dutch, go Dutch, Doge Daddy, yeah. I see stars when I hear Dutch. Forget the moon, I'm off to Mars. Cash is trash, is confetti, so dollar bills can kiss my. Go Dutch, go Dutch, Doge Daddy, yeah. Okay, guys, have a nice evening. Bye bye.